Hello everyone, and welcome to Cafe English Stories. Here we learn English through real daily stories that happen in a cafe. Every video is simple, clear, and fun. Today's story is about a quiet winter morning at the cafe. Let's get started. I work in this cafe every day, but rainy mornings always feel special. The soft rain taps gently on the windows, creating a quiet rhythm that fills the streets outside. People walk by with umbrellas, moving carefully to avoid puddles, their footsteps soft on the wet ground. The world seems slower when it rains. Even though the weather may feel gloomy, inside the cafe there is warmth and comfort. I love these moments. Standing behind the counter, I listen to the rain while smelling the fresh coffee. The scent always makes me feel calm and happy. On rainy days, the cafe is quieter than usual. People speak softly, move slowly, and every action feels gentle. There is no rush or noise, just a soft hum of activity and the occasional clink of cups and plates. As I prepare drinks, I watch people outside. Some walk alone, thinking deeply, with faces hidden under hoods or scarves. Others walk together, sharing warmth and smiles. Even in the rain, life continues steadily and quietly. I enjoy noticing these small things, the little gestures that tell short stories about people's lives and feelings. A customer comes into the cafe, water dripping from his jacket and shoes. He looks around for a moment, noticing the calm and cozy cafe, then slowly walks to the counter. He moves calmly, without a hurry. I prepare his coffee carefully, letting the warm aroma mix with the sound of the rain. When I place the drink in front of him, he gives a small smile. It seems simple, but it shows relief and comfort. He goes to a seat near the window, watching the rain while sitting in warmth and safety. I notice that on days like this, people do not only come for coffee. They come to take a pause, to breathe, and to feel safe for a few minutes. The cafe becomes a quiet place away from the busy, sometimes stressful world. Rainy mornings remind us to slow down. It is okay to rest, to take a break, and to enjoy small moments. Watching the rain outside, sipping coffee, and hearing soft sounds of cups and chairs, all of this creates a calm and peaceful rhythm. By mid-morning, more customers arrive, but the quiet, rainy mood continues. Even in this simple place, life is full of small stories, and I feel grateful to see them. The rain falls gently, soft, and steady, and inside the cafe, everything feels calm, cozy, and perfect for a little rest and reflection.
The rain is still falling softly outside. Inside the cafe, everything feels calm and warm. The noise slows down. The moment feels quiet and gentle. This is how learning English can feel. Not rushed, not stressful, just calm and natural. So now, let's listen carefully and think about the story.
Question 1. Rainy mornings always feel... Is it A, fast, B, quiet, C, special, or D, busy? The correct answer is C. Rainy mornings always feel special. Question 2. People walk by with moving carefully to avoid puddles. Is it A, umbrellas, B, shoes, C, hats, or D, jackets?
The correct answer is A. People walk by with umbrellas, moving carefully to avoid puddles. Question 3. Inside the cafe, there is warmth and... Is it A, noise, B, cold, C, comfort, or D, rain? The correct answer is C. Inside the cafe, there is warmth and comfort. Question 4. The scent of fresh makes me feel calm and happy. Is it A, tea, B, flowers, C, coffee, or D, bread? The correct answer is C. The scent of fresh coffee makes me feel calm and happy. Question 5. Some people walk alone, thinking deeply, with faces hidden under or scarves. Is it A, coats, B, shoes, C, glasses, or D, hoods? The correct answer is D. Some people walk alone, thinking deeply, with faces hidden under hoods or scarves. All right. Take a deep breath and enjoy the quiet of this rainy morning at the cafe. Notice the warmth, the gentle sounds, and the little stories all around you. Every small moment is a chance to practice English and feel calm. If you learned a new word or phrase today, write it in the comments below. We'd love to read your comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss our next cozy stories. Thank you for learning with us, and see you in the next story at Café English Stories.